Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to book a flight on Priceline. So first, open your desired web browser and go to priceline.com. Now here, make sure to sign into your account by clicking on the sign in option in the upper right corner. Now on the main menu, select flights. Here, choose your trip type, round trip, one way or multi-destination. Enter your departure and destination locations, travel dates and the number of passengers, and etc. When you're sure about it, click on Find Your Flight. This will display a list of available flights. Review the list of available flights and click on your chosen flight. Now, you'll be taken to the fare selection and the bag overview page. Choose the options that best suit your needs. Click Continue to Checkout on the right side of the screen. Now here, you will see the seat plan of the plane. If you want a custom seat, select it and press the Confirm Your Seat Selection button on the bottom part of the screen. After that, it will take you to the payment overview. Enter your credentials such as your address and your full name and your payment information such as credit card details. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and reviewed your information, click Book and Pay. You will receive a confirmation email once your booking is complete. And that's it.